I'm gonna meet you, my third sister, after a long time. So come here.
Hi, happy new year, guys. I know you guys have missed me.
Chalana, say once again.
Hum Chinese.
She is my second sister. Seems very rude, but she is rude. I just kidding. So she is my third sister, the one who always roasts me.
Mommy, Jesus, please. Don't let me.
So she is so scared.
Scared of monkeys. If it was these monkeys were Arunachal Pradesh.
Don't say it. Mention not. Here is my sister. So I don't know, she is crying after breakup. Just woke up. Since morning she was sleeping. She was laying in the bed. Like after coming to Delhi, she got some fever. See, I don't know what she is trying to show.
I'm trying to show something, but you understood. That's it. I'm really pissed off. I want to go home.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and you guys are watching Stereotypes channel. And today I'm so happy and I'm so excited क्योंकि आज मेरा दीदी आ रहा है वापस. So मेरा दो दीदी आ रहा है, like जो आने और मेरा थर्ड दीदी और मेरा सेकंड दीदी आ रहा है. So I'm so excited, I'm so happy. So अभी रात का बज रहा है 12 o'clock, 12:20. So वो लोग का फ्लाइट लैंडिंग होगा 12:20 AM में. उसके बाद घर आएगा around 2 AM. So I'm so excited and I'm still waiting for them. So stay tuned and watch till end, and I'm gonna show you my sister. So आप लोग देखा ही होगा अगर मेरा ब्लॉग को from starting से देखने से, तो आप लोग you might remember it. So I'm so excited, I'm so happy क्योंकि हाँ मेरे दीदी को मिलने वाला है after 7 months. I'm gonna meet my sister, and then आने को हम after 4 months. So एक को 4 months, एक को 6 months, after 7 months, and I'm so excited. So साथ में एक मेरा cousin दीदी भी आ रहा है, so उसको भी हम मिलाते हैं. So stay tuned. You know, this is Mama Punti. Good afternoon, like good evening. So yesterday तो मेरा दीदी लोग आया, then I received them. तो उसके बाद वो लोग को डिनर, तो वो लोग डिनर खाया. उसके बाद ट्रैवल किया अरुणाचल टू ईटानगर से ट्रेन से आया, एंड देन फिर उसके बाद डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट से आया. तो दे वर रियली टायर्ड. सो वो लोग बहुत थक चुका था, तो इसलिए हम भी इतना डिस्टर्ब नहीं करके हम चुपचाप सो गया, एंड देन लेट देम स्लीप और रेस्ट करने दिया. सो टुडे इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे. तो अभी बज रहा है ऑलमोस्ट 4. तो आज हम उठा लेट क्योंकि लाइक कल भी हम लोग सोए लेट ही था, तो उसका कारण. सो आई एम डिसाइडेड टू टेक माई थर्ड सिस्टर. तो अभी हम इसको दिल्ली को थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, बट वी डोंट हैव टाइम. सो वी माइट गो टू फर्स्टली टू डियर पार्क, एंड देन वी विल गो टू सरोजनी. सो आई एम गोना मीट यू, माई थर्ड सिस्टर, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो कम हियर.
Hi, happy new year, guys. It's been very long that I have been to my brother's channel. I know you guys have missed me. Happy new year, happy new year.
So of course you guys will know her, so I don't have to mention. So she is like in every game she is the winner. So she used to be the winner. So like in every game. Finally reached. So here is my sister. So deer park. So it's my third time, but I've never seen deer over here. Only I don't know if deer is over here or not. So I don't think so it's the right decision to come here.
Mommy, Jesus, please. Don't let me.
So she is so scared.
Scared of monkeys.
We couldn't find any deer, but we see lots of monkey.
And if it was these monkeys were Arunachal Pradesh.
Don't say it. Mention not.
What would have happened till now?
How is it?
It's good. Only if it was a little spicy, it would have been better.
So we came to Lotus Temple. So this is our day 3, no? Day 2. Yeah, so this is our day 2. So we came to Lotus Temple. So my sister in my back.
Hi, just don't look at my clothes. Afterwards, I will fix it.
So Ate is over here and Ane is over here. So I'm gonna show you the view afterwards, not right now. Make the video. Getting inside, तो हम लोग लोटस टेम्पल का अंदर घुस रहे हैं. So we are walking right. तो हम लोग अपना शू को हटाया. So here is my sister.
Hi.
So
I just click photos with someone I don't know. When they ask me where I'm from, I'm just said Philippines.
so like I just borrowed my slipper, my socks to her.
As I was wearing stockings, so I had to protect my stockings.
Finally we are here, so just nearby. So बहुत काफी लंबा लाइन खड़ा किया. So पाव भी दर्द दे रहा है. It took almost half an hour, and it's freaking cold outside. Hi guys, so now we are going out. So now we will go to maybe Red Fort, Lal Killa. You might know.
Brother is a bad grapher. Very bad.
Yeah, this day I'm turning into bad dropper. So day by day I'm getting worse in photography. It's okay, I don't care. So we will go directly, and it's gonna be my second time, I guess. And my sister are over here. She is my second sister. Seems very rude, but she is rude. I'm just kidding. So she is my third sister, the one who always roasts me. Here is my another cousin sister.
And this is my brother, my only brother. He has thousands and thousands of reasons to roast now, because so much of flows.
So guys, just ignore her.
Just
ignore her. So now we are moving ahead. So I'm gonna ask my sister how was Lotus Temple. So Tato, how was Lotus Temple?
It was beautiful. It is beautiful, and we can see the art very clearly. So the workers, they have put their blood and sweat to make that, and it is beautiful. So I think we people need to preserve it. You know, it's really pretty, just like me.
Just ignore the last sentence.
You
No.
just like you all ignores my brother's vlogs.
Yeah, that's true. So I'm gonna ask my second sister how was Lotus Temple.
Anyway, he is gonna say ignore those, so it's better I ignore him now.
No, just say it now. You people are being so rude, yeah.
Okay, it was fine. Very good. You should come and visit it. बहुत अच्छा था.
Yeah, see, her second time, na? It was your second time.
It was my second time और बहुत अच्छे थे. आप सब भी आइए, घूमिए, मजा लीजिए.
Hey guys, so now we came to यहाँ एक stall, tea stall. So यहाँ दीदी लोग चाय पिएगा बोला. So I don't drink tea, so I won't be drinking. And then we are waiting for our Uber as well as. So stay tuned.
Chai lover.
Chai. दिल्ली में चाय पीने है।
मैं तो चाय पीती नहीं पर मैं पीना चाहती हूँ ये चाय। सब्जी
Guys, so now we are going directly to Red Fort by Uber, by Rapido. So finally we reached our Red Fort. Hello, yeah, look, no ticket nata hai. So like, it's so freaking cold over here. It's cold. So
ये देखो हम जो चाइनीज से
कैसे है?
ये सुंदर है।
How is the weather? It's cold and this cold is not cold. So now we will just roam around and click some photos. So okay. And people over here is calling us Chinese and that's kind of funny. It sounds funny, stupid people. Chalana, say once again.
हम चाइनीज है।
So people over here, people are calling us Chinese. So like my sister is pretending she don't know how to speak Hindi and she is like speaking in foreigner way. Like I don't know. Anna once more just say in Hindi.
हेलो नमस्ते आज हम यहाँ सॉरी हिंदी तो ना रहा है। नमस्ते हम यहाँ बहुत ठंड हो रही है। बहुत काफी सुंदर है ये जगह। आप सब If you would like, you can remove the earphones, you know.
Hi guys, so now it's day 3, so I'm taking my sister on. Now we are going to Qutub Minar, so me and my third sister Toto. So rest of them Ane, Bonwandi and then Sangedi वो लोग फिर बाद में आएगा. So अभी हम ऑटो बुक किया है और हम रेडी हो गया. So stay tuned and watch till end. Hi guys, so we got the ticket. So our ticket is over here. So now we are entering. So it's freaking long. Line is too long. I think it's gonna take 1.5 hours, I guess. So finally we came and it took just 15 minutes. So how are you feeling right now?
Just like the weather, gloomy.
Oh yeah, today weather is so bad, not good. It's too gloomy. So for us it's normal because like Delhi ka weather ऐसे ही होता है maximum time. So I don't know. For them like it's
And
Don't like
I'm
them.
doubtful if I will get a good picture today.
yeah because like you know na.
Use the word bad girl.
Not because of I'm bad grapper. It's because it's only just because of this gloomy weather. So meet you. I don't think so. I need to show you the Qutub Minar. I think you have already seen it. So, but still, I will show you. You're feeling cold. 때려. we are moving ahead. You know it started raining, so it's better to go ahead before it's heavy rain. So now we are going. In fact, there is Qutub Minar. Hi guys, so now it started raining and like so tropicing. So now it's day 4. So कल मेरा my cat has been lost. So मेरा cat जो घर से भाग गया. I mean like so yesterday so I couldn't make all the vlogs. So now I'm searching. So I don't know what to say now. Like we tried to search yesterday. So हम लोग बहुत ढूंढा आसपास पड़ोसी से पूरा पूछा पर नहीं मिला. So but still now we are looking and then we're gonna go to Gurgaon. So Gurgaon का बंजारा मार्केट जाएगा. So मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम होगा फिर जाना. तो दीदी भी जाएगा हल के आया तो you know. So I don't have like so okay bye. So I'm gonna meet you afterwards. So I hope my cat will find. So I don't know. No words. Bye bye. Finally we reached Banjara. So on the back side you can see market. I don't know we came to right Banjara or not, but I hope so we came to right place. So here is my sister.
Hi, Avoka subscribers.
So there is another sister, so she is paying. So of course they came from home, they should pay. Why would I say? And it's freaking cold and the weather is too gloomy. Can you stop staring at us? EXO.
चलो ले जाओ.
They're saying it's for two. Do it song like this.
So today is our day 5. So today we are going to India Gate. So I don't know whether my second sister will join us or not, but me and my third sister will go. So right now it's 5 p.m. right now. So now we're gonna get ready and we're gonna move out. So I'm gonna show you my sister right now. Don't judge her face. Like give her only 2 minutes, then see her beauty, her real beauty. Here is my sister. So I don't know, she is crying after breakup. I'm just kidding. So here is my another. So anyone want to eat noodles, just tell me. I have lots of noodles. So you know. Here. So I have this. So okay guys, I'm gonna meet you after getting ready, after dressed up. So stay tuned. She just woke up. Since morning she was sleeping. She was laying in the bed. Like after coming to Delhi, she got some fever. I don't know what she is trying to show.
I'm trying to show something, but you understood. That's it. I'm really pissed off. I want to go home.
I don't know. It's been only 5 days, and she's like getting homesick, and she wants to go to home. I don't know. She cried twice. Okay. So today we are going to India Gate. So now I have done already ready. So I have done. So I'm gonna show you my outfit later. So here is my sister. So she is also done ready. So now first we will go to Malviya metro station, and there, so my two sisters gonna come, one my sister and my sister friend, and they're gonna join us, and we will go together to India Gate. So stay tuned and watch the land. Just ignore my background. Hi guys, so now we reached Malviya metro station, and my sister are waiting for us. So here is my sister. She's very pretty in real. She looks like she is not photogenic. So I'm gonna meet you later. So stay tuned. People are staring and I don't care. My sister, she tiny, miny, little sister. Woo! So now we are at Hoskas metro station. So मेरे तो दीदी को गुस्से गुस्से गेट ने धोखा दे दिया, तो मेट्रो स्टेशन जो बंद हो गया, सो उसका फर्स्ट टाइम होगा मेट्रो. सो आई डोंट नो. सो नाउ वी आर वेटिंग फॉर हर. सो माय सिस्टर इज बिजी टॉकिंग विद माय थर्ड सिस्टर. सो आई एम गोना सी यू लेटर.
अभी गुस्सा कर रहा है. तुमको पता चले से मेरे मुंह में तोड़ मारो. आंख पर चमक क्या रहा.
So we reached. So I think today is our bad luck. So आज हम लोग को बोला है कि इंडिया गेट नहीं देख सकेगा क्योंकि यहाँ बंद है. तो आई डोंट नो, लाइक फॉर 26 जनवरी तो एंट्री करने नहीं दे रहे, तो यहाँ कुछ सेटल डाउन कर रहा है. सो इन बैक देयर इज इंडिया गेट. सो आई डोंट नो, इट्स सच वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. So what we gonna do?
Nothing, just look it from far away and then go back.
Now my sister, how she is feeling right now. So Toto, how are you feeling right now?
I can't express in words. I'm speechless.
I feel so bad for her. I feel so bad for her. Ask my second sister, how are you feeling? आपको तो कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए.
या मेरे लिए तो कुछ नहीं है. बट
ये तो आपका लाइक एवरीवेयर वाला है.
एवरीवेयर बट
नहीं, लाइक रोज का वो है. आप तो यहाँ कितना बड़ा है ना इंडिया गेट.
तुम हमको इतना गंदा से क्यों दिखा रहे हो वो बताओ.
मैं भी आप अगली लग रहा होगा.
या चल जाएगा, क्या करेगा तू यार.
तो आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
नो वर्ड्स, देयर इज नो वर्ड.
सो फॉर मी ऑल्सो देयर इज नो वर्ड्स, क्योंकि ये मेरा सेकेंड टाइम हुआ, और फर्स्ट टाइम आते समय बहुत हीट वेव्स था और लाइक बहुत क्राउडेड था. वो समय भी हम रात में आया था, और सेकेंड टाइम भी रात में हुआ, और जस्ट ऐसे देखने मिल रहा. सो देयर इज नो वर्ड्स. सो आई थिंक सो वी माइट गो समवेयर एल्स. आई डोंट नो, जैसे फिर अभी खरीदेगा. So now we are going to subdivision. Hi guys, so we reached our subdivision. So अभी हम लोग यो तिब्बत में जाएगा. So everywhere हम लोग हर दिन जहाँ जाता है. So, इसको तो बताने का ज़रूरी नहीं कितना बार गया. इवन इट्स लाइक आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, क्योंकि लाइक जब भी सबडिविजन आता है यहाँ ही जाता है. इन द हर समय हम लोग वही बोलता है कि यू तिब्बत नहीं जाएगा, पर लास्ट में हम लोग वहाँ ही चला जाता है. सो आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक लाइक तो आज हम लोग का दिन ही ख़राब है. हर जगह बंदी हो रहा है, तो अभी भी यहाँ हम लोग को पीछे साइड से जाओ बोल के. सो लाइक सुबह से हम लोग जितना बाहर निकला कि कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा है. सो दीदी भी बोल रहे कि क्यों गलत रास्ता लेके जा रहे हैं, पर हम लोग सही रास्ता में आए. पर सो आई डोंट नो, सो हम लोग पीछे रास्ता से फिर घुसना पड़ेगा. सो बोरिंग. गाइस, तो फिर दिन ही ख़राब है कि आज फिर सबडिविजन का यूटीवेट भी बंद है. सो वहाँ कुछ वर्क चल रहा है, तो उसका कारण. तो अभी हम लोग ऑप्शन नहीं हो के मोहिंगा में फिर आ गया. So let's see, we're gonna eat over here. So she's really upset. I feel bad for her. So हम लोग आ गया हाँ कोरिस पे. सो फिर सेम जगह में भी बेच रहा है. सो पहले जहाँ आया था वहाँ ही बेचा. सो अभी ऑर्डर करके उसे एक आके निकल जाएंगे क्योंकि काफ़ी लेट हो रहा है. I don't like the taste. Guys, so आने का dish अच्छा था and I'm gonna ask how was your dish? Anna, how was the taste?
For me, it was good. I liked it. Even his dish, which he didn't like, but I liked it. It was kind of spicy for me, but not bad at all. I mean, I liked it.
So now I'm gonna ask to my no. How was your dish? आपको कैसे लगा?
It was good. It was delicious.
So yeah, everyone finished their own dish, but except me. How was your dish?
I just like Anna's dish.
Yeah, to be honest, just we like Anne dish and tteokbokki. क्या tteokbokki? Tteokbokki. And like my own was like it was so I really don't like the taste. I just took one bite, just one bite, and I was like no, and I didn't taste it. Sure, I'm looking handsome, isn't it? So today we are going to Lodi Garden and this is gonna be my second time. So I'm taking my one sister with me. So I'm gonna show you my beautiful sister and here you go. So now there is traffic, so meet you.
I like the intro.
Okay guys, so I will see you later when I reach Lodi Garden.
It was not like I wanted to go out. It was him.
He's a liar. We reached Lodi Garden, so now we are roaming around. So दीदी को हम सराउंडिंग को दिखा रहा है and यहाँ आने का तो काफ़ी ठंडा है. So कोई नहीं, अभी फोटो खींचते समय ठंडा गायब हो जाएगा कुछ. For just few minutes. So the half is there.
So
Hi.
हम पहुंच गए हैं लॉडी गार्डन और इसमें देखने के लिए अब फिलहाल कुछ भी नहीं है, सब जगह सूखा सूखा है. इवन ऑल द फ्लावर्स आर येट टू ब्लूम. तो शायद फरवरी और मार्च तक ये खिल जाएंगे, तभी ये बहुत सुंदर होगा.
Yeah, so now we are heading back. So अभी हम लोग here. I don't know where we might go to CP. So
सिप्पी, नो सीपी.
stay tuned.